Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Equilibrium of firm under perfect competition. A firm is in equilibrium when it has no tendency to change its level of output. It needs neither expansion nor contraction. A firm will be in equilibrium when it is earning maximum profits. Equilibrium of the firm can be analyzed in both short-term and long-term periods. In the short run, a firm may earn the maximum profits or may incur minimum loss, but in the long run, it can earn only normal profits. Short run, under perfect competition, the marginal revenue is equal to price. The individual firm under perfect competition maximizes its net revenue by fixing output at the point where the marginal cost is equal to price. So the formula MR, marginal revenue is equal to MC, marginal cost becomes P is equal to MC, that is price equals marginal cost. If the marginal cost is less than the price, the firm gains by expanding output. If the marginal cost is higher than price, the firm incurs losses and must reduce its marginal cost by reducing output. If it cannot do so, it must abandon production. Under perfect competition, the individual firm cannot influence the price. It takes the average revenue curve, adjusting its output according to its marginal cost curve. Long run. In the long run, the total revenue of the firm must equal its total cost of production. Total cost includes normal profits also. If the total revenue is greater than total cost, the firm is making excess profits. In such situation, new firms will be attracted to the industry. The total output of the industry will increase and the price will fall. Excess profit is wiped away. If the total revenue is less than total cost, the process will be reversed. Some firms will exceed, causing reduction in the total output, causing rise of prices. Finally, at equilibrium, the total revenue must equal total cost. Under perfect competition, a firm attains equilibrium in long run when price is equal to minimum average cost of production. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.